CES is usually all about screens, chips, and futuristic prototypes. So when a booth is focused entirely on personal grooming, it makes me stop. Because it raises a real question. How much serious engineering is going into tools we use every day? That's what I wanted to find out at Laifen. And this wall sets the tone fast. 20 hair dryers, powered on, ready to test, not behind glass. I love it because you don't need specs to feel the difference. You turn one on, feel the airflow, and the comparison is instant. Then there's this demo, a 500-gram metal ball lifted only by airflow. It looks fun, but it's actually a very honest way to show real air pressure and volume. Once you see it, you understand why drying speed and control feel different in real use. Laifen's also expanding the lineup. The Swift 04 is clearly built for styling, designed to work with hair oils without ruining airflow or balance. And the Mini surprised me. It's extremely light, and weight matters more than people think. They're also pushing into oral care with the Wave Pro toothbrush. Pressure sensing helps prevent overbrushing. There are daily and deep clean modes, and the battery is rated around 70 days, so it actually makes sense for travel. And yes, it's fully waterproof, and they encourage you to test it on the show floor. That kind of confidence says a lot. The most interesting part for me was the razor engineering display. We've reviewed Laifen razors before, the P3 Pro and T1 Pro, so seeing the internals laid out like this really stood out. Motors, blade assemblies, structural parts, all open and labeled. It connects what you feel on your face to how it's engineered inside. The overall theme here is control, not chasing extreme specs, but building tools that behave predictably, last longer, and stay consistent. Less hype, more engineering. And that's exactly what everyday tech should be.